Hello guys, so I'm going to share you my day trading and work from home setup. So here I have two 24 inches Dell monitor, one for trading and one for work, so I can easily switch them. And this is my main monitor. My main monitor is an LG 4K 43-inch monitor. It's big enough for me to record the entire screen, so I can easily go back. It's really cool. I learned a lot from it. So yeah, on my left is my blue Yeti microphone. It's really easy to use. You just plug and play and that's it. So I use it for, making my day trading recaps. What else? My keyboard is a Black Widow Razer. I like it because it's very compact. It's really small, as you can see, so I can easily carry them around. I pair it with a Razer Naga Trinity. One thing I like about this is you can, assign hotkeys like 10% partial, 50% partial, cancel order, get out at break even, get all out. So that's really cool, right? So what else? So my layout is this is where I put my top 3 stock picks. So this is 1 minute and this is 5 minute. So in my 1 minute, I only have VWAP since I only trade the first few minutes of the open, and then that's about it. That's my only goal. So as you can see here, whichever moves the highest, the highest volume, that's what I focus on and I trade. So yeah, once I'm in the trade, and then I'll move to my screen left. In my screen left, I have more infos here. Like, I have this thing, I filtered just Nasdaq orders. This is really cool and has longer level 2s as well, so I can see big orders, legit big orders. And I have the SPY here as well on top. Yep. So so my desk is a standing desk that I bought because I spend about 8 to 10 hours a day at home. Then sometimes I need to stand up. And yeah, entertainment, I have this Bose speaker. It's really cool, very good quality. I paired it with a bass speaker as well. Bose bass speaker, it's Bluetooth. And for portability, just in case I don't want to use this, I use this Bose Bluetooth speaker. Enough of my Bose, because I also have a Bose QC that I use when I travel. If I need noise cancellation, that one's really cool. I recommend this one. So yeah, laptop. So laptop is it's an ROG Asus laptop. It has GTX 1060, i7, 16 gig of RAM, and only 500 gig of SSD. So yeah, that's enough for me to trade. What else? Yes, this one is very important. This one, if you want to plug more than 3 monitors or more than 2 monitors, it's a docking station that I purchased. It's called Dell docking station, so you can just plug in one wire to connect all your monitors, and you don't have to connect so many HDMIs. It's really cool. And then yeah, there you go. This is where I connect my monitors, and here I have my work from home computer. So that's it's connected somewhere out there. It has a powerful machine. So yeah. Oh, this one is really cool. This one is a switcher. I really like this one because if you're controlling 2 computers, you just press this one and it will go to the other computer. So if you just want to use one keyboard and mouse to control 2 computers, this is really helpful. So yeah, that's about it. Oh yeah, my USB monitors. So I have 2 USB monitors here. Both are Asus brand. So if I wanna travel, I use this too. So I have 3 screens. So what else? So yeah, that's about it. If you like this video, if you have any questions, just comment down below and I will get back to you if you have any questions. So if you want to see daily updates, you can follow me on my Instagram. It's Ryan_PDT. and on my Twitter is Ryan_PDT as well. So yeah, that's about it. Let's see, how's the weather outside? It's not bad. It was sunny today. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe.